You're welcome. In this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to log someone out of your TikTok account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, we are going to know how to log someone out of your TikTok account. Click on the TikTok. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on the security and click on manage devices. Here you will see that some device or someone is logged in of your TikTok device. Here you can see there is nothing. If you see anything, then click on the delete and that thing or something that is logging into your TikTok will be logged out. In this way you can log out someone of your TikTok account. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.